Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
People are changing, mentalities are changing. You know, to change the world, you have to be the change. When you teach people and show them to be loving and caring towards other living beings, and you show them that an animal has feelings just like we do.
Shining World Compassion Award recipient Ms. Salima Kadawi and SFT Animal Sanctuary. Watch on to learn more.
Today's show will be presented in French and English with subtitles in Arabic. Olasis, also known as Vietnamese, Chinese, English, French, German, Indonesian, Korean, Mongolian, Persian, Portuguese, Spanish and Thai. Mes salutations téléspectateurs radieux, je suis Rama. Le peuple de France souhaite que se réalisent toutes vos visions positives et aimantes.
Everywhere in the world we can observe and be touched by acts of kindness. People from all walks of life, faiths and cultures extend themselves beyond the call of duty to help others unconditionally. Through their noble deeds, humanity as a whole is elevated. To commend virtuous actions and encourage more people to be inspired by their examples, Supreme Master Ching Hai has lovingly created a series of awards, including the Shining World Leadership Award, Shining World Compassion Award, Shining World Hero and Heroine Awards, Shining World Honesty Award, Shining World Protection Award, Shining World Intelligence Award, and Shining World Inventor Award, etc., to recognize some of the most exemplary, generous, caring and courageous people who walk amongst us.
Sur la côte la plus septentrionale du Maroc, le village Sept Zinat, surnommé le Jardin de l'Afrique du Nord, a été transformé en un tendre refuge pour plus de 500 animaux errants. Il y a 6 ans, Madame Salima Kadawi, une Britanno-Marocaine, a vendu sa maison et son commerce et fondé le Sanctuaire de la Faune de Tanger, ou SFT, qui abrite maintenant plus de 300 chiens, 120 chats, 30 ânes, des chèvres, une mule, des tortues, des oiseaux et de nombreux autres animaux qui mènent désormais une vie tranquille au soleil. Ces animaux ont été sauvés des rues de Tanger ou ont été retrouvés aux portes du refuge. Une fois que les animaux arrivent au sanctuaire, ils reçoivent immédiatement un traitement médical, sont stérilisés, vaccinés et traités contre les parasites. Ils vivront le reste de leur vie dans la dignité et le confort.
When I was a child, I started saving animals. I grew up in Tangier. We always saw animals on the streets that needed help. I took many, many animals home. I was blessed to have wonderful parents, loving, caring parents, who raised me to be a caring human being and taught me that we all had to care about all living beings. Apparently, ever since I was a baby, I attracted all sorts of animals. Wherever I went, I saw an animal. I would just go towards the animal and he'd come towards me. Animals are just amazing. Incredible souls. Every day I learn new things from animals. There is one thing's for sure. We, the humans, must protect them.
Sur la page Facebook du sanctuaire, il est indiqué: nous sauvons des centaines de vies. Nous changeons la façon de penser. Nous enseignons l'amour et la compassion. Nous aidons notre communauté. Nous nous consacrons à rendre cette ville amie des animaux et sûre pour tous. Renoncer n'est pas le bon mot, a ensuite ajouté Salima, parce que j'ai obtenu la meilleure chose qui soit. Avec tendresse, Salima se souvient de l'histoire de Divine, une ânesse sauvée.
She was attacked by several dogs and her owner left her there for dead. We found her 3 days later and there was a massive cloud of flies above her. She was in a terrible state. The infection was awful. She had maggots all over her. We took her to the vet. We were at the vet until 10 o'clock at night. Our vet said she only had a 50% chance of recovering from this. And I said we had to do everything we could to save Divine. So every day I had to treat Divine, clean her wounds, inject her. And it was awful. I used to say to my poor Divine, I'm so sorry, my baby. I know I'm hurting you, but it's to make you better. And Divine did get better. And Divine now is just a super happy donkey. And she's a miracle baby. And she made it, and I'm so happy for her.
Géré par une équipe de 5 membres réguliers qui soignent avec amour les animaux, le sanctuaire joue un rôle important en répandant la compassion au sein de la communauté de Tanger. Lorsqu'elle parle en public, Madame Kadawi parle souvent aux gens de la joie d'être bienveillant envers les animaux errants.
People are changing, mentalities are changing. You know, to change the world, you have to be the change. When you teach people and show them to be loving and caring towards other living beings, and you show them that an animal has feelings just like we do, and they realize and understand this, they change. We've changed the mentalities of many people, but we have many more to work on. Love, care and compassion is what I keep saying over and over and over again. You give love to a dog, he will never forget you. He will love you forever. You care for a dog, you will feel great. Because when you do good, you feel good.
Brillants téléspectateurs, nous allons faire une courte pause pour nourrir les oiseaux venus jouer dans notre cour. Veuillez rester sur Supreme Master Télévision. Ravi de vous retrouver dans notre émission, Madame Salima Kadawi et le sanctuaire de la faune de Tanger, récipiendaire du Shining World Compassion Award. Nous sommes heureux que Madame Salima Kadawi, fondatrice du sanctuaire, partage avec nous son plan pour mettre fin au traitement cruel des animaux errants dans sa ville, Tanger.
Our biggest project now is Project Hayat. The ultimate goal is to stop the culling of dogs. Dogs are killed every day in Morocco to reduce the canine population and because of fear of rabies. That has got to stop. There is no need to kill a dog. All we need to do is to sterilize, vaccinate, treat, and educate the community and make them understand that every life is precious.
Profondément touché par le dévouement de Madame Kadawi et le dévouement de son équipe envers nos amis animaux, en octobre 2018, le Maître suprême King Hai les a honorés prix du Shining World Compassion Award avec amour et gratitude dans la miséricorde de Dieu. Le prix est accompagné d'un don de 15 000 $ US pour fournir des produits de première nécessité tels que des médicaments et des lits pour les animaux du sanctuaire.
Supreme Master Ching Hai is deeply grateful to the beloved God for all the financial help, comfort, and support to the afflicted and needy, and or any good cause over the years, as a humble vessel for his compassion and love toward his precious children.
En novembre 2018, les membres de notre association ont remis le prix à Madame Salima Kadawi et au sanctuaire de la faune de Tanger. Dans la lettre d'attribution du prix, le maître a écrit:
Dear Salima, it is with great pleasure and gratitude in God's mercy that we present to you the Shining World Compassion Award for creating a safe, loving haven for animals. This award is presented in recognition of your benevolence, selfless devotion toward our voiceless friends, untiring effort to care for and nurture homeless animals, and for raising public awareness and compassion toward all beings. Your story to relieve the suffering of animals of any species who are in need of care and attention, specifically to provide refuge, sterilization, vaccination, care of unwanted animals, and the treatment of sick or ill-treated animals. Forever loving home to over 500 rescued animals, including dogs, cats, donkeys, a mule, goat, wild animals, birds, monkeys, and churches. Heaven has made SFG Animal Sanctuary a mini ark to save lives, change the way people perceive and treat animals, educate citizens, and promote harmony among all of Earth's co-inhabitants. In addition to rescuing and caring for your cherished guests, you also travel the country teaching others about animal welfare, often providing pet food to people who are too poor to care for their animal companion. The sanctuary seeks to replace endemic animal mistreatment with love and compassion, making the city animal-friendly and creating a brighter and kinder future for our world. For your heavenly kindness, wisdom, munificence, and outstanding contribution to saving precious lives, we hereby applaud and celebrate the heroic, compassionate deed of Salima Kadawi, founder of SFG Animal Sanctuary. With great honor, love, and blessing in God's grace, Supreme Master Ching Hai.
Thank you so much for everything you have done to help SFT, and your rewards and everything that you've done means so much to me, and I'm incredibly grateful. Thank you.
Les membres de notre association ont également offert à Salima des livres et des DVD du Maître suprême Ching Hai.
This is incredible, all these amazing books. It's absolutely incredible, and CDs. The Supreme Master Ching Hai, thank you so much. Your love and care and compassion towards animals means the world to so many animals, and now to my babies too, with all the help you've given us. Thank you. God bless you.
Lorsqu'on lui a demandé de partager quelques mots avec nos téléspectateurs aimants de Supreme Master Télévision, voici ce que Salima a dit.
I ask every day on our Facebook page for others to be an example. We need to show people. We need to feed our strays. We need to put water down. Some people might come to you and complain. Don't be scared. You're doing right. When you do good, carry on doing good. Don't let others put you off. Because the more of us that speak up for the voiceless, the sooner we will make this world even better.
Nous souhaitons sincèrement à Madame Salima Kadawi et à son équipe du sanctuaire de la faune de Tanger le plus grand succès pour faire de Tanger une ville respectueuse des animaux. Que Dieu bénisse votre noble initiative. Que chacun soit inspiré par votre amour et trouve sa meilleure nature en aidant les amis animaux dans le besoin. Gentils téléspectateurs, merci pour votre compagnie dans notre programme. Madame Salima Kadawi et le sanctuaire de la faune de Tanger, récipiendaire du Shining World Compassion Award. Dans un instant, retrouvez l'histoire du véganisme. Première partie de 4 épisodes, juste après les nouvelles déceptions. Que notre planète devienne bientôt un paradis vegan pour tous les êtres vivants dans la grâce de Dieu. Gentle viewers, thank you for your company on our program Shining World Compassion Award recipient, Miss Salima Kadawi and SFT Animal Sanctuary. Up next is A History of Veganism, Part 1 of 4, Ancient Period, right after noteworthy news. May our planet soon become a vegan paradise for all living beings in God's grace.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/SWA.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule et suprememastertv.com/SWA.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule e suprememastertv.com/SWA.
Nossos programas oferecem vários idiomas. Acesse suprememastertv.com/schedule e suprememastertv.com/SWA.
हमारे कार्यक्रम पेश किए जाते हैं कई भाषाओं में. कृपया देखें suprememastertv.com/schedule और suprememastertv.com/SWA。
我们的节目提供多种语言，请看 suprememastertv.com/schedule 和 suprememastertv.com/SWA。
Rancangan kami menawarkan banyak bahasa. Sila kunjungi suprememastertv.com/kehadapan-schedule dan suprememastertv.com/kehadapan-SWA.
برامجنا متوفرة بالعديد من اللغات. يرجى زيارة suprememastertv.com/schedule و suprememastertv.com/SWA.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com на сайте .schedule и suprememastertv.com на сайте .SWA.
మా కార్యక్రమాలు అందజేస్తున్నాయి అనేక భాషలలో. దయచేసి చూడండి suprememastertv.com/schedule మరియు suprememastertv.com/SWA